Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring a powerful natural solution that countless people rely on. Essential oils. If you've been struggling with a cough or sinus congestion, you might find these oils to be a game changer. Let's explore how they can help you breathe easier and feel better. So, what exactly are essential oils? These are concentrated plant extracts that capture the natural aroma and beneficial properties of the plants. They work through various methods: aromatherapy, topical application. The best part? They're often more natural alternatives to over-the-counter medications. Using essential oils can offer numerous benefits like reducing inflammation, soothing irritation, and even clearing nasal passages. They're perfect for those looking for holistic approaches to health. Let's talk about some of the top essential oils that can help with coughing and sinus issues. Eucalyptus oil. This oil is fantastic for opening up airways. Just a few drops in a diffuser can make a world of difference. Peppermint oil. Known for its cooling effect, peppermint helps soothe your throat and acts as a natural decongestant. Tea tree oil. With its strong antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil can combat respiratory infections. Lavender oil. Not only does it smell amazing, but lavender can also help you relax and promote better sleep when you're feeling under the weather. Thyme oil. This is a powerful expectorant that can help loosen mucus. Oregano oil. Packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties, oregano can help fight respiratory infections. Frankincense oil. This oil reduces inflammation and soothes the respiratory system. Now that you know which oils to use, let's discuss how to use them. Diffusion. Add a few drops to your diffuser for aromatherapy benefits. Steam inhalation. Mix a few drops in a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and breathe in the steam. Topical application. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil and apply them to your chest or neck. Bath soaks. Add a few drops to your bath for a soothing experience that can help relieve congestion. Remember, safety first. Always dilute essential oils before applying them to your skin. Perform a patch test to check for sensitivities and consult a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing conditions or are pregnant. To wrap it up, essential oils can be a wonderful natural solution for coughs and sinus issues. With their powerful properties and soothing effects, they can help you breathe easier and feel better overall. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, take care and breathe easy.